Hi friends, today we are going to see about topic Java interview questions. That is part 6 video we are going to see. Before this, we had seen a string concept, okay? Today we are going to see the collections. After that collections, the Java interview questions, okay? Okay, let us see. Difference between collection and collections. Collection is an interface in java.util package. Okay, collection is an interface. It is an interface in java.util package. Collections is an utility class. It is not an interface. Collection means if no yes, it is interface. If collections, if it comes with yes, it is a class. Okay, in utility class, it is in java.util package. Then collection is used to represent a group of individual objects as a single unit. Collection is used to represent a group of individual objects as a single unit. But collections defines several utility methods that are used to operate on collection. Collections define several utility methods that are used to operate on collection. Okay. But collection means it is individual objects, group of individual objects as a single unit. But collections means it defines several utility methods that are used to separate on collection. Then collection it contains abstract and default methods. It has static methods from Java 8 onwards. But collections it has only static methods. Okay, collection has abstract and default methods. It has static methods from Java 8 onwards only, but collections has only static methods. Okay, add, remove, collection it includes methods. What are they means? Add, remove, clear, contains, unsize are the important methods in collection. Collections class sorts and synchronize the collection elements. Collections class sorts and synchronize the collection elements. Then collection iterable is the super class of collection. Collection has one super class. It is called iterable. Okay, super interface super class. Okay, that is collection. Then explain about collection framework. Collection framework is a combination of classes and interface. Both collection framework we can see both classes and interface. Okay, which is used to store and manipulate the data in the form of objects. These classes and interface are used to store and manipulate the data in the form of objects. It provides various classes that is such as array list, vector, stack, and hash set, etc. It provides various interfaces such as list, queue, set, etc. for this purpose. Okay, it is a support dissimilar data type. Memory will be allocated, no memory wastage since there is no fixed memory. Okay, why we need to go for collection when there is already array concept? In array, we can store only similar type of objects. Array size is fixed and cannot provide ready-made methods for user requirements such as searching, sorting, etc. Therefore, we use a collection where heterogeneous or dissimilar objects can be stored. In collection, the size can be changed dynamically as per the need, and it also contains ready-made methods. Okay. Next, list the difference between list, set, and map. Okay, list interface is index based and it allows duplicate elements. Set interface is value based and it does not allow duplicate elements. List means it is index based, set is value based. Okay, map interface has both key and value combination where key don't allow duplicates but value allow duplicates. Okay, so this one. List means it is index based, it allow duplicates. Set means it is value based one, print in random order, it won't allow duplicates. Map means it is key and value pair. Key and value in one entry. Key ignore the duplicate value, value allow the duplicate. Okay. Then list maintains insertion order, but set does not maintain insertion order. Map does not maintain insertion order. Then in list we can add any number of null values. In set only one null value is allowed in set. In map allows single null key at most and n number of null keys. Then in list implementation classes are array list, linked list, and vector. Set implementation classes are hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. Map implementation classes are hash map, linked hash map, tree map, hash table, and concurrent hash map. In list has a get method to get the element at specific index. In set, methods are not supported in set or index of lost index of get set. In list, if you want to access the elements frequently by using index, we can go for list. If you want to create a collection of unique elements, we can go for set. If we want to store the data in the key value pair combination, we can go for map. Next, difference between array and array list. Array. An array is a dynamically created object. It stores multiple values of similar data types in a single variable name. Array list. Array list is a class of Java collections framework. It contains classes like vector, hash table, and hash mapper. Then array. Array is static in size. Array list is dynamic in size. Array, it is a fixed length data structure. It is a variable length. Array list is variable length data structure. Array size of the array should be provided before initializing it. But in array list, we can create an instance of array list without mentioning its size. In array, it is faster due to fixed size. Array list is slower due to resizing internally. Array stores both objects and primitive types. Array list, we can't store primitive types in array list. The primitive type automatically converts to object. Then array, we can't use generics in array because it is not a convertible type of array. Array list allows to store only generics or type. Then array, we use for loop and enhanced for loop to iterate array. Then array list, we use iterator to iterate over array list. Then array is multi-dimensional. Array list is always single dimensional. Okay. Next, difference between array list and linked list. Array list internally uses dynamic arrays to store the elements. Linked list internally uses doubly linked list to store elements. Insertion and deletion is difficult in array list because if any element that is removed from the array, all the bits are shifted in memory. A linked list insertion and deletion is easy in linked list because it uses doubly linked list, so no bit shifting is required in memory. Then searching and retrieving is easy in array list. In linked list, searching and retrieving is difficult in linked list. Array list provides random access. Linked list does not provide random access. Array list takes less memory overhead as it stores only object. Linked list takes more memory overhead as it stores object as well as its address. Array list is better for storing and accessing data. Linked list is better for manipulation of data. The next question is difference between array list and vector. First one, array list. Array list is not synchronized, that is executed parallelly. Vector is synchronized, executed, that is executed one by one. Array list not thread safe. Vector is a thread safe. Array list is not a legacy class. Vector is a legacy class. Array list increases its size by 50% of the array size. Vector increases its size by doubling the array size. Okay. Then what are the methods available in list that are not present in set? The methods that are not present in set are add of index comma value, index of lost index of get set. Okay. How to convert an array into list? First, brute force or navy method. In this method, an empty list is created and all elements present of the array are added to it one by one. First, get the array to be converted. Create an empty list. Iterate through the items in the array. For each item, add it to the list. Then return the formed list. Next question, using arrays as list method. In this method, the array is passed as the parameter into the list constructor with the help of arrays.asList of method. Then get the array to be converted. Create the list by passing the arrays parameter in the constructor of the list with the help of arrays.asList of method. Then return the formed list. Then using collections.add all of. Since list is a part of the collection package in Java, therefore the array can be converted into the list with the help of collections.addAll of method. Then get the array to be converted. Create a empty list. Add the array into the list by passing it as the parameter to the collections.addAll of method. Return the formed list. Okay. Next, difference between normal and enhanced loop. First, a normal for loop, then enhanced for loop. This for loop is present from JDK. Actually, the for loop இன்னும் லிஸ்ட் கான்செப்ட்ஸ் இன்னும் நிறைய கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒன் பை ஒன் இது எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, பாய்.